Hi, in this episode, I'll show you a strategy for whisper marketing using affiliate links on Quora. In this strategy, we'll leverage the My Lead affiliate network. I've included a link to it in the description and the pinned comment for your convenience. The campaigns we're focusing on are dating portals. Be sure to choose campaigns with single opt-in and cost per lead conversion types. This approach will help us achieve higher conversion rates since users will only need to provide their email during registration. I've joined and selected 4 campaigns to consider, but I've decided to focus my efforts on promoting just one, the Ashley Dates campaign. It stands out to me because it doesn't come with many restrictions and feels perfectly suited for promotion on social media platforms like Quora. To shorten a link and add a custom alias, I'll use the tiny URL website. All it takes is pasting the desired link and entering the alias I want to use. Next, we will use ChatGPT to generate 10 alternative versions of our text to minimize the risk of being flagged as spam on Quora. The prompt I used is provided in the description. Simply type dating sites into Quora's search bar to find topics relevant to our niche. We just need to answer questions and create posts that subtly promote our affiliate link. To ensure our response doesn't come across as overly pushy in promoting the affiliate link, we can include the attachment by embedding the name of the dating platform using a text editor. Things that can help you. You can use multiple accounts to increase scale. You can create posts and reply to them from a second account. Use campaigns that offer CPL and single opt-in. Maintain a natural approach.